Good morning students. Today you are going to know few more options available in MS PowerPoint presentation. So in the previous class we have discussed about how to create a new PowerPoint presentation and then how to insert an image we have discussed. And today we are going to know how to insert an animation to your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so first thing you are going to select particular content. So for example, I am going to give animations to this particular slide alone, means first you have to select this one and then you are going to go for, here you can see home, insert, draw, design, transition, animation. So you are going to click animations and then you are going to click on entrance effect and then you can see lot of effects are available. So according to your wish you are going to select the particular effect. Okay, so for example I am going to select now wheel. Okay, and then the animation has been set now and then I am going to move on to my second slide. Okay, then I have to click this particular slide, the particular line alone I am going to give animation. For that I am going to give animation and then I am going to choose some effects. Okay, so and then for each and every line if I want to give animations, then particular line alone has to be selected, or otherwise you can give as a whole for all the 4 lines the same effect. If you want to apply, that is also applicable. It's your wish, you can give your animation effect. Okay, now I have given the animation effects for my both the slides, first slide and the second slide. You can see animation has been set, means you can see the difference at the bottom, that star symbol you can see. First slide you can see the star symbol and then second slide also you can see the star symbol, and then third one you can see there is no animations that has been set so far. Okay, so in this way you can know whether animation has been set to our slide or not. Okay, so now let us see how the animation works. So just I am going to start my slideshow. So so you can see animations, wheel animation that I have set, and then you can see the next slide. Just by pressing you can see your animation effects. So one by one I have listed out. So in this way your animation effects has been inserted. Okay, and then third slide I have not inserted any animation effects. Okay, so in this way you can give animation to your slide. So if you want to insert animation, you are going to click animation and then effects. And then if you want to insert some shapes, okay, if you want to draw some shapes to your particular slide, you can go for insert option and then click shapes. Okay, and then you can start drawing your particular shape. So if you want to draw circle, you can just place it and you can just draw with your hand itself. You can adjust the corners, and then if you want to increase your box size, and then you can increase. Okay, and then if you want to change the color to your particular shape, you have to click this fill option. Okay, you can go for fill option and then you can choose your particular favorite color, and then outline also you can give to your particular shape. So if you want to give outline, you can see here the outline has been changed out to us now red. Okay, and then if you want to insert some text, you can go for this text box, a symbol. Here you can see this is the text box where you can type inside your particular shape also you can type. Okay, for example I am just going to type circle. Okay, just double click on that, go to home page and then double click, and then now you can type inside your symbol. Okay, so the color it is not visible, so it is typed in white color, and now I am going to change the color size, color, and then I am going to give the color as red now, and I am going to make it as somewhat bold. Bold means in the last class itself I told you the letters will be looks little darker. Okay, and then I am going to increase my font size. Okay, font size, it is going to be 80, and then you can just adjust your text box. Okay, so in this way you can insert some pictures to your slide. Okay, for once again, so you are going to choose insert and then pictures, insert, and then you are going to click shapes, and then you are going to select the particular shape. Okay, and then you can type inside your content. You can see lot of equation shapes are there, flowchart symbols are there, and then banners for preparing any advertisements. You can see these banners, and then you can see this callouts, everything. Okay, so these are the few shapes available under the option called insert shapes. Okay, and then next thing, if you want to insert some audio also you can insert, and if you want to insert some videos to your content, you can insert videos just by clicking insert videos. And then if you want to insert pictures, in the last class I told you how to insert a picture. And then now if you want to add some tables, okay, for example I am going to insert a table. So I am going to select table. Okay, so if you want to insert a row, okay, row means horizontal direction, column means then vertical direction. Okay, so I am going to insert a row below. Okay, so you are going to select row. You can see here insert above, below, or left side or right side. Okay, I am going to insert a row above. You can see one more row has been added now. And then I am going to insert one row below. So you can see one row has been inserted below. And then I am going to insert one column to my left. See here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are there. Okay, so in this way you can start inserting your rows and columns. You just click, you can click insert table, and then you can start inserting your rows and columns. And if you don't want to don't want means you just click on this and then you can cut. And if you want to delete the rows and columns, just you select and then delete columns, and the entire columns get deleted. So if you want to go back to the original position, you can go for undo option, and undo, this symbol is redo. And you can see here the lot of available options in the home tab. In the previous class I told you about font name, font size, and then alignment options, how to insert bullets and numbering, and then about text rotation we have discussed. So these are the few options. Today you are going to try how to insert animations and how to insert shapes and how to insert table to your particular slide. Okay, so once everything has been completed, you are going to click this option to view your PowerPoint. At the top you can see the third symbol. So this is going to be to view your particular slide. Okay, and then if you want to move on to the next slide, you have to just move either left side or right side. You can see this. And then today we have first started with the animation effects. Okay, so in this way you can give your animation and view your PowerPoint presentation. So in the next class we will discuss about more number of options that is available under PowerPoint. Thank you children.